Let's learn to count. One little, two little, three little duckies, four little, five little, six little duckies, seven little, eight little, nine little duckies, 10 little duckies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ducky, 2 duckies, 3 duckies, 4 duckies, 5 duckies, 6 duckies, 7 duckies, 8 duckies, 9 duckies, 10 duckies. That was fun. Let's count backwards. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little duckies, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little duckies, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little duckies, 1 little ducky. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. 10 ducky, 9 duckies, 8 duckies, 7 duckies, 6 duckies, 5 duckies, 4 duckies, 3 duckies, 2 duckies, 1 duckies. Yay! We learned to count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,